What's up, YouTube? I'm Big Miss Bud. Another book, Board Homes and Habitats. It's a backyard guide. Written by Bill Thompson III. I have read this, not all the way through, but the truth is, it's a good book. If you like to learn about the boards, I'm interested in that. And also, it got a lot of great details and facts and mini tips in it. In the table of contents, and also here's the beginning of the book, if you know what I mean. I see they got my favorite board into it. And tell you the truth, just like I said, this would be a great way to learn about backyard boarding. In this case, everything you want to know about boards in your backyard. Until next time, I'm Big Miss Bud.